Michael's haul. I prefer Blick for the quality, but Michael's is just so fun sometimes. I had a $15 credit through their rewards program, and then with all the coupons, I spent $40 and saved $40. So half off is pretty good. I've said this many times before on my YouTube channel, but I love Michael's brushes. Brushes are one thing that I really don't invest in art-wise because I know I'm gonna be rough on them. I'm a heavy-handed painter and I'm not very good at washing them often. Brushes were buy one get one half off today. I got these two for coating my wood panels before I paint them. Nice and big. I always opt for the Royal and Langnickel brand. I even got a set of 5 of those from Blick the other day that came in this little case. They're cheap, but so good. These are the other ones I picked up for watercolor. Well, this is an acrylic one, but these two for watercolor. Like this, having the whole grippy thing is pretty nice for the price. These are round brushes in size 4 and 6. Onto paint. Just wanted a super basic white paint. Didn't need to be fancy. It's literally basic. Believe it or not, I have never tried Golden brand fluid acrylics. I like a lot of Golden products, like a lot of their mediums, but I've never tried these. And this is silly, but I get a lot of Instagram reels served to me that show people painting with Golden fluid acrylics, and they're always really vibrant color payoff, looks really smooth. So I tried Fluorescent Orange and Diary Lied Yellow. I think that's gonna be my favorite color, just like a perfect orangey yellow. And this brush paired with these I think is going to be a dream. They were sold out of the fluorescent pink, which I'd love to try from Golden. So I got these two basic ones from Americana brand. Once again, inexpensive, but a good paint. I think it's because I really prefer a very fluid paint that just flows out of the bottle. I don't like heavy body, so I'm drawn to these. I popped into the stationery aisle and these were buy one get one half off for like $5.50. They are envelope and card sets. There's 25 in each and they're just blank. And I got these so I would send my friends birthday cards more often. It's something I'm really trying to do. I'm usually having to measure and cut the paper to fit inside an envelope. But I just thought like eliminating one step would make it easier and make me send cards to friends and family more often. So I got 2 sets of those. And then I was really just in a neon mood today. I was walking to the checkout and I saw this was really inexpensive, all neon colors, which I thought I would try out.